Okay, we're back on. We're live. Hi,
Hi, Jada.
Jada. Okay, we're back on part 2 of putting the ship together. My trusty sidekick came and helped. So we are working on, I'm working on the boat. She's working on the mast. And we're just gonna put the back end on. And she's gonna be, this one ain't open yet. I'm gonna steal yours. We're gonna work from one.
We'll share. Sharing is caring.
And we're just kind of like gluing ships. Total of 8. And like I said, this ain't taking us that long to do. Once you figured out how to do it, that I'm putting on the back of the boat. You laugh at me.
I laugh at you all the time.
And I'm gonna glue this one. Put some glue on this side and this side. I'll try to get this part glued on and ready to go. So all we'll have left to do is brown, the brown side. Back is coming. Look at that.
Nice.
Let me out! I'm stuck in your pocket.
Oh, really? Picking up tickets tonight
Oh, nice.
for Busch Gardens. I'll pass.
Sweet.
I just gotta meet up with.
You know, but your girl.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, there it is. Here's the
Nice.
main part of the boat.
Nice.
The back is done.
Sweet.
The sides, the front. Give it to the grandbabies, and they'll be taking and riding around
Try to.
the room with it. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting these sections on, which is the outer sections of the boat. And one's done. It'll all like that.
That went quick.
Do the other side.
See, she doesn't trust me with anything else but making little boxes.
There's a reason behind that. Did you get it or you lost? Well, you said you haven't crafted much.
Not in a while. But this is, you know, for as far as like doing something like this is like my first project with it, and you know, obviously I had to pick like the hardest thinking thing to build.
Yes. Unfortunately, she did. Got the back section, and I'm just gonna fold it so it will fit.
Now, did it have the crease lines for that for that piece? It already had the pre-cuts?
Yep.
The little nibbies? Oh, nice.
Yep.
That's
Oh,
right.
we didn't need the bone folder. That was, I love the cut lines. Other than the score lines, because they fold so neatly. See?
Yeah. That's why it took forever for me to help.
What took forever was those little brown mass parts.
Yeah. These things.
Those took 45 minutes each
Per sheet, yeah.
per sheet, and we had, I don't know how many sheets.
Too many.
Too many. We had a lot of sheets to cut. Pieces in.
Yeah. Well, I have lots of beads and stuff too that I can probably decorate it with if I need be.
Yeah, I figured you will.
Yeah, I have tons of beads, you know, from previous.
And we're making all these for a yacht club. That's all I know.
Well, it's every year here in Tampa. We do this huge parade called the Gasparilla Parade, and it celebrates the invasion of Jose Gaspar when he came into Tampa Bay. So this is actually going to happen on the 26th of 2019, which is actually next Saturday for us. It's a huge ordeal. The boat club that we're doing is for the Tampa Cruisacade Club. A bunch of nice folks get together, have fun, and eat a lot of good food. Take the boats out, do what we call a flotilla, where we follow the pirate ship in to the bay, and then we go back and we eat.
Which I've never done.
It's a lot of fun.
See what I'm talking about when you mess up?
Oh.
You don't put much glue on there.
It's
where
easy to
it's
separate
not
it.
going to mess it up. It won't mess it up at all.
And we have more paper too, so.
Yeah, we can do more. We have to. I just didn't line this one up just right. But no one's really gonna know.
Mm-mm.
So all I'm gonna do is just move it up a little bit and then re-glue it on there and then work the bubbles out. Everybody makes mistakes. Nothing's perfect. Unless you live in that little perfect bubble. And I haven't found that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut it off. Forget it. No one's gonna know. I don't want to tear it up.
Yeah, seeing it put together gives us an idea for where we want to put the portholes on it too.
If you want to put four.
If we want to put the portholes on there. I mean, we have the paper for it if we want
Yeah.
to.
If you want to do that, we can. But we don't have to.
Mm-mm.
It looks good just the way it is. It's up to you what you want to do with it.
Now, what's nice with this too is where the windows are. Well, actually, the windows will be down here for the captain. So we got windows down there. That's cool. But if we had the windows, you could put the yellow vellum behind it to where it looked like there was light coming from the room.
That is true. Or if he's doing a night parade.
Which we have.
And I don't go.
Have you ever been?
No.
Never?
Never.
Wow. I could get your husband out of the house.
No, it has nothing to do with him.
It's a blast.
It's all to do with me.
It's a blast.
I don't do crowds.
Well, where we set up, it's not too bad.
I know I didn't go last year.
We take the big tent. We set all the food up, and you know, we feed all the EMS and the law enforcement officers and stuff.
Now,
So.
don't tell me why this happened.
Doing it.
I matched it up, and they're all the same size.
I know.
That's pretty funny, but that's okay. I'm not gonna worry about it. I can put a small piece of black. I have plenty.
Or a small piece
Small
of brown.
right there. I'd rather it be that way than.
And I have more paper at the house too, so.
Yeah, you didn't bring your paper.
No.
Okay, this was done. Base 2 is done. Work on base 3. Fold, fold, fold. You get done with those. You got these here. Mass.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I get to take one home. So I'm hoping the one I take, I'm gonna give it to a friend of mine. That she loves Gasparilla, and I'm gonna give it to her. The boat.
That's awesome. Yeah, this is one of the things.
But
that we
before I
very
give it,
rarely-
before I give it to her, I'm bringing it up to Scraporium. They want to showcase it,
Oh, cool.
so it's gonna be one of our best
Oh yeah.
boats. Because I was talking to them last night, and she's always asking me, "What are you making? What are you doing this time?" I says, "We are doing boats." She says, "What kind of boats?" This is for pirate ships for the Gasparilla. And I says, "If you like, I can bring one in, and you can showcase it if you want. Don't matter to me. It's just a boat." And so they went ahead and agreed to showcasing it. So I'm gonna bring it up there and
Oh, that's cool.
let them have it for a couple of weeks, and then if they want it, they can have it. I can always make another
True.
because I got the diagram and everything. I can always make another for my friend, which ain't be long. One is gonna be a lot easier to do than 8.
Yeah.
So I got the backs on, sides, the back. I'm gonna move that glue so it's out of my reach.
I know you keep grabbing it.
I
That's so funny.
do. It's not open, so watch you grab it.
No, 'cause
I
this
would bust out laughing.
I'm not left-handed, so I won't be reaching.
I will bust out
I'm
laughing.
a creature of repetition.
It's not like me. If it's inside, I'm using it. You like my little chain?
I do. I think that's really cool.
Well, this part here is actual the topper stopper,
Mm-hmm.
and I added this chain to stick on here because I didn't want to lose it.
Well, there you go.
So when we use it, it's usually like in your finger or something. So it's actually out of the way.
Oh, yeah. See, it didn't stick.
Then we have to use more.
It's okay.
If we don't, but we don't really have to. It's just a suggestion. We will have those ropes that will hold them up. Not only that, but I got more than 2 hands this time.
We could also, you know, just kind of set it inside
It won't hold inside. I tried that.
because it's too wobbly. The snakes.
I already tried that. But we can definitely work on it. Okay, one side up. Fold it up we go. It's easy to put together once you figure out what you're doing.
It goes pretty quick.
this glue too is because it gives you enough wiggle time
To get everything put together pretty
before it
quick.
starts gluing. It's a quick glue, but you still got wiggle time. You still got time to maneuver things in place. And back done, just like that. I pre-assembled the front. So all I gotta do is just fold them and glue them. But I'm gonna glue this first one together. Maybe I'll wait. It goes under and over. I just stick the ship in there. Make sure all these fold in, just like that. Put some glue.
So what was the hardest putting the masks together?
Mass.
Because you have to fold every one of those little lines.
But it was actually quick once I done it with the table. I did it at home on the
On
floor,
the floor. Oh yeah. Then you moved up
Last
on
night?
your desk.
and then once I moved up on a harder surface, it was like no time at all. Because I had something like what I'm doing with this here.
Uh-huh.
I have something I can hold it down onto while it's drying and forming. As of that, as you can see, I just put it on one side and I squished it
Mm-hmm.
and then ran them up that way. I didn't do that last night. It took me a while to do it last night because I wasn't thinking of that.
Yeah, because you do most of your crafting on the floor.
I do most of my crafting on the floor. And the main reason is because of Butthead.
Or kitty.
She wants to crawl on my lap. She wants to be right beside me. If I get up on my desk with the chair, she wants to be in my lap or on my projects. So it's a lot easier for me to be on the floor. It's just a comfort thing. I don't mind to oblige the cat. Come back and get a couple of these. I didn't grab. Come on, take. I want to move on. I'll put the two sides together. And then
Gotta be smarter than the glue.
So what kind of glue is that?
it's called Art Glitter Glue.
Art glitter glue.
Say hi, Derek. You're gonna be famous.
That's good.
I love this glue. Dries quick. And it's fun.
Thank you, honey.
Famous for my cooking.
You are famous for your cooking. At least in our house. And the office.
Okay. Second boat done. Making sure everything's lined up on the bottom. Yeah, the bottom looks ugly, but we're gonna cover it. That's a piece that we'll do later. Not right now. Once we get the boats done, I can do it at home. It's just adding another black piece on the bottom. It'll make it look a lot better. and to hold these things here on
Yeah.
instead of having to go back and re-glue and
Retouch up.
retouch up. It automatically
Good
be held on by the other piece. So we're gonna have to wash the table.
That's okay.
As you
We-
can tell, I've been here.
We have stuff.
I've been here, and okay. Base 2 done. Brown pieces are only going to take 2 seconds to put on. So I'm going to put the base 2 over there. I'm going to work on base 3.
Yay.
And it's all repetition. If everybody goes to my Facebook page, they will see a complete ship later this evening. They'll see all 8 of them coming down the table. We're gonna simulate our own little pirate fest with these ships. She's laughing at me now, but she knows I'm gonna do it.
She will.
So, you can catch me on Facebook. And Facebook is just my name, Diane Dean. You'll be able to see it. But if you like this video and you want to see more, just hit the like button and hit subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get more people. I'll be building more stuff from Cricut. I will be drawing, doing all kinds of craft stuff. It's not just limited to one thing. I do crafts. It's all crafts. It don't matter what it is.
All the crafts all the time.
I love doing it. It could be beads, it could be this here, it could be needlepoint, it could be anything. So you never know what you're going to get. Surprise. Well, we're going to let you go, and we're going to finish all these boats, and check me out on my Facebook page and see the boater parades later on this evening. Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.